In this video, you'll learn how to send cryptocurrency to someone on Binance. This guide explains the steps required to complete a transfer using the Binance platform effectively. Begin by opening the Binance application or website on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of the interface. This area typically displays your current balance and transaction history. Next, locate and tap on the option labeled Withdraw. This will direct you to a new screen where you can initiate the process of sending crypto. You will be prompted to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Make sure to choose the correct coin, as different crypto transactions may have different transaction processes. After selecting the cryptocurrency, look for the option to use a Binance ID instead of an external address. This feature simplifies the transfer process and helps to avoid errors. Enter the recipient's UID, which is their unique Binance identification number. Ensure that you input this information accurately to prevent any issues with the transfer. Once you've entered the recipient's Binance ID, the next step involves entering the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply to your transaction. After entering the amount, you will need to confirm the transfer. This typically includes completing a security verification process, such as entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After you complete the security verification, check for a confirmation message indicating that your transfer has been successfully initiated. Depending on the network traffic and the cryptocurrency selected, the transfer may take a few moments to process. It's important to monitor your transaction history to confirm that the crypto has been successfully sent to the recipient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.